Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with new releases for you. This video is going up Thursday, March 11th, and the products will be in the store on Friday the 12th. So this is not a new release. This is one of the sticky note box sheets that were in my store already. However, I am showing it to you today because I have redesigned them and re-released them in the new design. So the old design is pretty plain, just looks like this with the gray washi above each little sticky note box. The new ones look like this. So the washi is a little bit different. There's a curl at the end of the sheet here. And then hopefully you can see that there are little bows on the washi in the same, it's a lighter shade of whatever the color is. So like I said, I have restocked these, or will be restocking these in the store in the new format for Friday. So you've got jewel tones, pastel spring, lucky. The colors on this one have changed a little bit. They were all shades of green before, and I've changed them to match the lucky monthly and weekly kits. Cloudy skies, pretty in pink, and then Sunday morning. So these are the 6 original colorways that I put up in the sticky note boxes. So they will all be new on Friday. And then I've also added them in the colorways of the recent kits that have been released. So here we have purple paisley, cotton candy, Easter meadow, spring bloom, perfect couple, another year older, and floral market. So again, all of these are in the colorways that match the kits of the same name. So you can search by collection, you can mix and match your boxes and have a variety of different shapes for what you want to do in your planner. So the original 6 plus these 7 will be going up. These are all based on previously released kits. All right, I also caught up on colorful boxes. So there are now sets of 6 in all of the previously released colorways as well. So I've only printed size 1 in each of them, but they do come in sizes 1 to 6 for all of them. So again, purple paisley, cotton candy, Easter meadow, perfect couple, spring bloom, another year older, and flower market. So this brings us up to speed on everything, colorful boxes in all of the colorways that have been released so far. I do have a couple more to show you though. All right, the new ones to show you are part of the collections that I am releasing new this week. So the first one is called Retro Vibes. It does come in all 3 weekly formats, which I'm going to show you. So this one is the standard vertical. This is your 7x9, A5 wide, EC, all of those types of planners. These are going to fit those. So here are your full boxes, your bottom washi, date, covers, flags, and quote box. This is your first page of boxes, the colored boxes here. You have your glitter headers, patterned washi, icons, scripts, and weekend banner. Here are your patterned boxes. And then your last page here with all of your extras. So your weekly tracker, your habit trackers, labels, square boxes, check mark strips, scallops, flags, and date dots. All right, so this is Retro Vibes. And like I said, it does come in 2 other formats. So the next one is Daily Duo. So there are your date covers. Here's your second page with your check boxes, labels, and date dots. Added some glitter into these ones here. Here are your 3 options, or 3 sets of bottom boxes. So as always, one that matches each of these date covers here. You've got your timed labels, and then your top boxes, more glitter washi and scripts. And then as always, the last weekly kit format in a collection is the TPC Nation Planner. So here it is in that format here. You've got your base page with all of your category labels, tiny headers, date covers, and some functional items, and then your second page with all of the functional extras for you. All right, there are also sticky notes going up in this colorway, as well as a set of colorful boxes. Again, sizes 1 to 6, all available. Just didn't print them all for this video. So they are all going up as well. All right, and then I've got one more collection to show you. This one is called Pink Umbrella. I kind of love this kit here. I think it's perfect for spring and kind of makes rainy days just seem kind of pretty. So here are your 9 full boxes, washi quote box, and date covers. Here are your solid colored boxes. Glitter headers, patterned washi, all the things, icons and scripts. There are your patterned boxes and your last page with all of the extras on it. Here it is in Daily Duo formats. You've got your date covers again. Here is your second page. There are your 3 sets of bottom boxes, your timed labels, and then your top boxes and glitter washi and scripts. And then here it is in TPC Nation Planner format. Again, your base page with all of the very important functionals, and then your extras for page 2 here. All right, and not to be left out, there is also a sheet of sticky notes in this colorway and a set of colorful boxes. So to recap, you've got 9 new colorways of colorful boxes. There are a whopping 15 new listings for sticky notes going up, 9 of which are also new. The remaining 6 are the ones that had been previously released and have been updated now. 2 new standard vertical kits, 2 new Daily Duo kits, and 2 new TPC Nation Planner kits. So that is a total of a lot of new listings that will be in the store on Friday. There is also a big sale this weekend in my shop at 30% off everything in the store, no code needed. That will start Friday as soon as these listings are live. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know down below if you've got any questions about any of these things. And don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.